Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use colors in Discord. So there is no easy way to do this, and it's quite complicated because you're going to use code blocks in Discord. So to do that, what we have to do is type in triple backtick, and that will initialize the code block. So if you want cornflower blue, you just type in fix, press enter, and then type any text. Press enter again and then triple backtick, and then press enter, and that will send the message in cornflower blue. To make it light blue, you type in triple backtick, YAML, press enter, and then any text that will be light blue, press enter again, and then triple backtick. So for the rest of the text, you have to do a prerequisite in order for it to be colored. So for example, JavaScript, type in triple backtick again, type in JavaScript, which is the language of the code. Press enter, / and then asterisk, space, then any text, and then space, asterisk, / That will make the text green. Press enter, type in triple backtick again. And then next is we use diff, the language diff, triple backtick, and then diff. And for this one, you cannot remove the minus sign or the plus sign. A minus is for red text with red highlights. And then for plus, it's a green text with green highlight. And then triple backtick again. And then next is dark blue, triple backtick MD. And then hashtag sign, then any text. And then the greater than sign for a green text without the highlight. And then for purple, we're going to type in triple backtick, ASCII doc, press enter again, and then press period, and then any text, enter, triple backtick again. That's going to type in purple. Now for the last two, we have to capitalize every first letter of the word in order for it to be colored. So first, we're going to use ML. And then the last color, which is orange, which is prologue. And then we have to capitalize every first letter of the word again. And so far, these are the colors that Discord will recognize. That will be all for this video. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.